Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about National Science Day, which is celebrated on 28th of February. It is a great pleasure to talk on this day, the National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India every year on 28th of February. But do you know why do we celebrate this day? What is the aim of it? Many Indian scientists have succeeded in making India proud globally. Indian physicist Sir CV Raman or CV Raman is one of them. This day, India celebrates to mark the discovery of Raman Effect by Sir CV Raman in the year 1928. He was awarded and honored in the year 1930 with the Nobel Prize in the Physics for his great success in the field of science in India. When was first National Science Day celebrated? In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology or NCSTC asked the Government of India to designate February 28th as National Science Day. Since 1987, the event is now celebrated all over the country in schools, colleges, universities, and other academic, scientific, technical, medical, and research institutions. Do you know who was CV Raman? Sir Chandrasekhara Raman or CV Raman was born on 7th of November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a lecturer in physics and maths. Raman was the first person to research such an invention in India. He worked from 1907 to 1933 in Kolkata at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. He did research in so many topics in physics, of which the Raman effect became his great success. His discovery marked a notable achievement in the Indian history. In 1954, he was honored with India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So, what is Raman effect? The Raman effect is the process of scattering of light particles by molecules of a medium. The scattering occurs due to a change in the wavelength of light as it enters the medium. What is the use of Raman effect? Raman spectroscopy or Raman effect is used in many varied fields. In fact, any application where non-destructive macroscopic chemical analysis and imaging is required, whether the goal is qualitative or quantitative data. Raman analysis can provide key information easily and quickly. National Science Day theme 2021. The best part about India's National Science Day is that every year a theme is decided according to which the National Science Day will be celebrated. From the year 1999, every year has been designated with a theme. The themes are related to science and technology and how it impacts on human life. Last year, that is 2020, the theme was Women in Science. This theme focused on the women's contribution to the field of science, research, and technology. The previous year, that is 2019, theme was Science for the people and the people for the science. This theme of National Science Day 2019 conveys the message of science should be accessible for everyone and everyone should be benefited by the application of science. This year, that is 2021, theme is Future of STI, Impacts on Education, Skills and Work. How does India celebrate National Science Day? The celebration includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science exhibitions based on themes and concepts, debates, quiz competitions, lectures, science model, exhibitions, and many more activities. Various awards are given by the government and the non-government bodies to recognize the efforts of individuals for the popularization of science in the country. What is the main objectives to celebrate this day? The main objectives of celebrating this National Science Day is to bring awareness to people about the importance of scientific applications in their daily life and to encourage them by popularizing the science and technology. It allows the scientists and experts from the field to discuss issues and new technologies trending in the field. Also, the celebration is aimed at giving an opportunity for the younger generations in the display their activities, efforts, and achievements in the field of science for human welfare. As a student, it is our responsibility to honor this great man and his invention by contributing greatly to the field of science through our innovations. All the very best to enhance your scientific zeal.